astronomers have imaged two stellar explosions known as novae from 2021. They used the CHARA Array in California, capturing material ejections in real time for the first time. These events involved white dwarfs accumulating matter from companion stars. This accumulation triggers runaway nuclear reactions with complex outflows. In Nova V1674 Herculis, there are perpendicular gas streams. In Nova V1405 Cassiopeiae, there are delayed ejections. The observations, aided by interferometry, show colliding shocks producing gamma rays. These findings challenge simple models of stellar deaths. They deepen insights into nova evolution